No way, Jose. Welcome to San Jose. Come on, bud. Let's go. Good evening and welcome. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at the La Quinta Inn Suites. This one in particular is in San Jose, but most of them are about the same. Same furniture, same decor, same linens. This is a king size bed, patterned carpet, digital alarm clock with Bluetooth capability, nice modern lamps, blue accent wall, small, I think a 32-inch TV with direct TV. Little vanity. What do you think? Go check it out. Is it any good? Yeah, go check it out. Got a mini fridge, no freezer, refrigerator only, in-room safe, personal Keurig maker, and a little microwave. Let's go check out the bathroom. And fairly clean toilet, the little touch of class that I love. Nice towels and a stand-up shower. Looks like that's a fluorescent bulb that takes a little bit of time to warm up and to brighten up. Shower head, fairly clean shower. A little desk for doing work, modern artwork. I do love the shutter blinds here. Those are pretty cool. Little desk, you want a little side table? You want to do a little work here on the side table? And a cool interactive phone. Over here, the linen closet, plenty of hangers, ironing board, luggage rack, iron. Pretty cool modern sink and vanity mirror with the light fixtures, full length mirror, and as you notice, the toilet and shower are separate from the sink, which means you're getting ready kind of out in the open here. Anyways, just a quick little room tour here of the La Quinta Inn Suites. Pretty typical room, pretty typical room. Do you like it? He approves. All right, dude. It's been fun. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here at the La Quinta Inn. If you like this video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, everyone. Bye. Say bye. Bye.